So just on the tariffs bit, and I wanted to get your view, Mr. Sayta, because we did a story that we're expecting in this budget a custom duty drop on 7 to 8 items imported from the US. It's, in a sense, perhaps you can look at it as a preemptive move as all of this tariff talk goes on. What does India need to do to be on the right side of this tariff trade war, this global tariff war which is going to erupt?
I would feel that yes, some definitely signals might come along, but primarily anything that that we do will be measured. I would feel we would wait for what exactly US comes up with, and I don't think India is on the top of the list of countries which will face the heat of tariffs.
Yeah.
So we would wait, I think, to see how it goes along. But yes, any and every items which are primarily inputs where India is value adding on that and sending out again, particularly, I think that's where we will see definitely tariffs coming down.
I think our fight is not really with the US.
Yeah.
The duties have to be with China, right? Imports from China is the bigger one.
Yeah, but just that, I think, so we've done a small exclusive 3-4 days back. It's a very small, tiny item, but 7 or 8 key items from the US might see some bit of duty changes.
Right.
Maybe it's ahead of the Trump-Modi meet or Modi-Trump meet, as the case
Symbolic.
may be. Symbolic in nature, but yeah, something like that to come out as well. So pretty interesting things that might happen.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. Ramdev Agarwal joining us on the conversation this morning, Chairman and co-founder of Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Mr. Agarwal, thank you so much for speaking with us here at NDTV Profit. Absolute pleasure on what is turning out to be perhaps an exciting morning, more optimistic than we would have thought at the start of this week.
Hello, yeah. Good morning. So clearly things are kind of evenly balanced, and there's a lot of hope that the FM is going to shower goodies for the middle class and women class. That looks to be what even PM's expectation is. So I would think that the commitment to what you call Viksit Bharat, that's coming out very clearly, and one of the ways to increase the GDP growth rate from say 6.5% to maybe 7.5% would be the giving some kind of incentive to the middle class for consumption. That looks to be the theme right now.
And do you think that that's the single most important perspective? I'm just wondering, on a budget morning, and we're speaking half an hour before the budget, what does a Ramdev Agarwal have on his checklist to look at? Will you be looking at the capex figure, the fiscal deficit figure? What is that top point that you're looking at?
Yeah, so I've noted down 3 points. One is the middle class, what exactly they end up doing for the middle class, and where FM has said, clearly PM knows what exactly is going to come. So his wishes are around middle class and women class and poor. So clearly we are going to see some bundle of measures out there. Whether it stands up to anything in the market or not, that's one thing. Second is the commitment to 8% growth, whatever it takes. I mean, it is for the leadership to say that we are committed to 8% year on year. There will always be some cost here and there, but growth solves a lot of problems. So how committed they are, bureaucracy as well as the policymakers and leadership, to 8% thing. Third, the credit flow. I think one of the biggest things which has hurt the economy in last 12 months, in my limited understanding, is the credit flow into the entire economy, which has come down from 15-16% to 10-12%. If we remain at 10-11%, do whatever, I don't think we'll ever touch 6.5%. That's my sense.